Hello, we are live.
Hi.
Hello, welcome to the DevOps Nights channel. Um, Today we are continuing the creation of our universal delivery pipeline. And the idea of this tool is that you can deliver everything everywhere. So last week we started the project. We touched some points related to YAML templates, and today we are going to move our template to external repository. And this repository will be the definitive. So there we are is where we are planning to start the contributions and everything. So I'm Wesley Camargo. I'm a DevOps specialist. I'm a Microsoft MVP in developer technologies. And this is my friend Emmanuel Brandão. Brandão, introduce yourself, please.
Hello, I'm Emmanuel Brandão. I'm Microsoft MVP in Developer Technologies too, and I'm SRE chapter lead and was a consultant with Wesley Camargo at last year, and I think it's enough.
Okay, cool. So, Brandão, do you have a channel, right?
A channel, yeah. I have delivering software channel at YouTube, and Wesley Camargo joined me in the past to build a tool for Azure DevOps in some lives. I think is 5 or 6 lives, and we have to continue this work. And if you want to check it, is youtube.com/delivering software, and you can see, and the code is on GitHub. GitHub is /delivering software /ETSC.
Okay, cool. So now let's go. I will share my screen. 1 minute. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so the past week we created the YAML in the same repo that we have our application, just with the purpose of show how to create it. So here we have our Azure Pipelines YAML, and here we have the template. Inside the pipeline YAML, we have just a call for this template, and we configured the pool that we are running our pipeline and a trigger for the master branch. Okay, and in the template, we have a job, a collection of jobs. So we are introducing these jobs inside the template, inside the YAML that are consuming this template. So today, the idea is move this job to an external repository. That's this UDP. We just have the README there. And then consume this template from an Azure DevOps pipeline. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go there. So I have cloned my application. So here is the template, and here is um, the pipeline. So now I will back here to my um, repo. So first, I need to okay. First, I need to fork this repo in my personal account because we are not. Let's say that we are not allowed to do changes in this repo. We need to do it by pull requests. So first, I will fork it.
Yeah, it's a good, a best practice when you do open source code.
Yeah, this is the difference is that the DevOps Night is an organization. So you can create an organization in GitHub, and let's say if you have a company, you can have an organization for your company. So here, in this case, we are using the organization for the channel. Okay, and here I have my personal account with my personal user, and now I forked the repo. Okay, so now I will clone it. So here I have just the application, git clone. Okay, cd udp code. Okay, so as we saw in the repo, we have just the README. So we don't have any other files inside the repo. So first, I will create a folder and give src name, so source. And inside this, I will create a new folder named build because we are going to split the responsibility. So we'll have templates for build and templates for deployment. Now we just have the build, so let's start with this. Okay, so here we have this template. I will just copy and paste here. Okay, and now I will commit my code. Um, I will use the graphic interface, including .NET build template. Actually, before I do this, I will change the name of the file. So no template anymore. It's too generic to use like this. So now we can start to build our pattern. So we can have like a .NET dash build. Okay, so the other builds that we will create we should follow the same pattern. Okay. So now I will back here. I will add those chains, including .NET build template, commit, push, and let's check the repo. Okay, so we have the file here, .NET build. Okay, so now let's pull request this to the DevOps Nights repo. So last week we did a pull request. We did some things wrong there, right, Brando?
Sorry?
We did some mess when we are going to pull request the things last week.
Yeah,
Yeah, no,
it's
so
okay.
so this one it's simple. So create pull request, including dotnet build. Okay, so as I am the the owner, I can merge this pull request. In a best scenario, you should have another people approving this.
Oh, damn it. You need to describe better your pull request.
Yeah, maybe when I think you do some pull requests today, so maybe you can cheat how to have a good description. What do you think? Okay, so now we have the file there. Now we need to link this with our Azure DevOps account. So here, created a new organization to show how to do everything during um, this live. So that this is a blank organization with a blank team project.
It's a
I
public team project.
Yeah, it's a public key. The idea is that the people can follow what we are doing. So the GitHub doesn't have these pipelines yet. Actually, we have the GitHub Actions, but this is not supporting the templates. So this is why we are doing first for Azure DevOps. So if you want, you can follow the progress of the project here and the code in the GitHub. Actually, the code is in GitHub and the pipelines will be here. Okay. So first thing, let's open the team project and let's create our pipeline. I will create in pipeline. And last week we have some problems when we are trying to link the GitHub, and there a secret to do it. So basically, when you're going to link with a traditional GitHub, I already have my connection with GitHub here. But to do this connection for the organization, you should choose this. Let's back here and come a little bit slow to everyone follow. So go to pipelines, clicking create pipeline. Here you should choose GitHub. Okay. And okay, here I have all the repositories in my personal account, in my GitHub personal account. To link to some GitHub organization, you should go to the bottom and click here to select a specific connection. I spent some time trying to discover this. Okay, so first you need to install this GitHub app. Choose your organization. Okay, put your password, your GitHub password. And now we are linking the GitHub organization with the repo. There looks like we have a bug here. So click on this only select repositories and then back to all repositories and then save. Basically, we are doing a link. So we are giving permission to read and write in the repo. Okay.
Okay.
And now save. It will ask me to log in my Azure DevOps account. Okay, I have the multi-factor authentication. Wait a sec. Okay, so here I have more than one organization in my directory. So I choose the directory that this organization is there. Okay, so now the magic. We can see the repos that we have here in the DevOps Nights organization. I don't know why this is so hard. I don't know if there is a reason for this, but if you need to do this link in your personal projects or in your organization, this is the way to do it. Okay. Okay, so now let's choose this UDP and click
No,
in
it's not
existing.
UDP. It's not
Uh,
UDP application.
no, it's UDP. UDP application is done. Will you do this again, but in the future? Okay, makes sense. Let's back. Let's use the UDP application first.
Yeah, you are creating a new pipeline to yeah
No, makes sense. Makes sense. We should have um, the new pipeline here because last week we did it in the in
no
my
container.
personal. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, so now we have it. Let's try and cross the fingers to everything be okay. Meanwhile, when this is building, I will show what we did when we created the link. So basically, if you go to service connections, it created this DevOps Nights service connection. So it's simplicity. Let's say this is it's an installation token. So it's a little bit different than a traditional service connection. We can create one here, like we did, choosing GitHub, using PAT, personal access token, but there is no option to use an organization with this. So you need to do the steps that I showed to link your organization here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so looks like the build worked. It's still working. Just check the artifacts is there. Okay. So now let's start to to play. Um, okay, so here we already have the service connection that we need. And now we need to change this template for an external template. For do this, I have this documentation from Microsoft. So how to use multiple repositories. You can use this not only for templates, but let's say that your application have more than one repository, you can use this. So it will be, it will work for more than one proposal, not more than one meaning. Okay. So let's go. So first we need to use this. Okay, from the beginning. So for specify multiple repositories, we can use this for Git in Azure repos or in other Git that exposed on internet, GitHub, GitHub Enterprise, and Bitbucket. To do this, you need to check out the repo if you want to download the artifacts. In our case, we will not do this because it will be implicit on when we are going to use the template. Okay. So the syntax, we should have this resource and then repositories. There are other types of resource, but we will not cover it today. So for now, we need to have this information. So the repository, this is a name that we will reference later in the template. The type should be GitHub. The endpoint, so this is one of the secrets. We should pass this name and the name of the repo. So here we are going to use UDP, so we should pass DevOps Nights slash UDP. Okay. So let's, where is it? Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, not here. I'm a little bit lost here. Okay. So here in the pipeline, let's change this. So I will call it UDP. I will remove this name. So the type I will keep. The endpoint, where's the endpoint? So it should be DevOps Nights. I will copy. And here, DevOps Nights slash UDP. DevOps Nights UDP. With this, we should be able to clone the repo here. If we want to try, maybe we can create a job. So with some steps, and the first steps should be the checkout. So let's see the documentation. My GitHub repo. So it should have the same name. So here it should be UDP. Okay, let's see if it will work.
It's okay you with the template in the last position of the YAML.
Sorry?
It's okay to let the template in the last line of the YAML.
Yeah, you can use the template whatever you want, since it makes sense in the syntax. So here, if we are using the jobs, we are inside the jobs. So here we should have a collection of jobs. So if we have a collection of jobs here in the template, like this, it should work. Because we can have more than one kind of template. So we can have templates for steps, for jobs, for stages.
Yeah.
So you just need to pass like what the main template, the main pipeline is expecting. So as we are expecting a collection of jobs, if we have the collection of jobs on the template, it should work.
Yeah. Maybe we can call .NET build jobs.yaml. You can build a template file with .NET build jobs.yaml.
Here, yeah, that's
the file name.
The file name. Okay, let's just check here if it worked. Yeah, so we can see that we cloned the UDP here. Okay, so this is a simple git commands. Where is it? Yeah, syncing repository, DevOps Nights UDP. So okay, so our connection is working. Let's go to this change that Brandon wants to do. Okay, Brandon, what's your suggestion here?
Rename the .NET build and put jobs on, on file.
Ah, okay,
.NET build jobs, uh, that's job dash jobs. Yes,
like this.
uh, yes,
Mm-hmm.
because we have it's more expressive
Mm-hmm. Okay,
notation,
agree. Good suggestion. Okay, so now
and
let's.
maybe the we can express the intention to build .NET Core on this file. No,
Mm-hmm.
because we have we will have the .NET full .NET
A classic
architecture.
.NET. Yeah,
Yeah.
makes sense. .NET Core build
No, no,
jobs.
no. It's like no dash.
.NET
.NET
Core
Core.
together like
Yes,
that.
because you can use the syntax stack, action, and what, uh, and the third is the position, jobs or variables or anything else in YAML file.
Mm-hmm. Okay, makes sense. Okay, let's edit again.
Do not forget to splash this commits.
Um yeah, actually, we are not doing the right things here.
Why? We
Let
are committing the main repo
not in the main, but
in the
we are
DevOps Nights core
committing without it be done. So uh, yeah,
without it be done.
yeah,
I
we are pull requesting before it be done. You know,
Oh, it's because you are not using your the repo
my
in your
my
personal
hippo.
account. You have to create a branch on the DevOps Nights org test or test. No, you have to test it on the branch in pull requests.
During the pull request, I should choose
I
the
think
branch.
we do not have to be perfectionists here.
Yeah. Push.
uh, Put in an easy way to be simple to understand.
Um, looks like this is not syncing. So just let me check. Okay, git push. Oh, why this is not syncing?
What
Ah,
was
okay.
not
I know.
sync?
I'm
No.
I'm not in my hippo. I'm in the DevOps nights. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. The changes here.
Oh yes, and there you have to do create the PR.
New pull request. Um. Yeah, but I think I need to create the branch in the DevOps nights first.
Why?
Because this is not. There is no option to create a new branch here.
Why you need to create a new branch?
In the DevOps nights to pull request.
Why you need to do that?
Why?
Yeah.
To have a feature, like a feature.
Why? Keep
So
it simple. Keep it
okay,
simple.
okay. So
Uh, uh, we are starting, and we are not in a complex process here. I think it's not the case to complicate the things now.
okay, okay. So the change here. Now we can back here and reference to our template. So how can we do this? We need to have this. First, we need to have the name of the file. Let's start to close some windows. Um, okay, we don't need this anymore. Okay, so how to reference a template in an external repo? The template it's the same, so actually you should give the structure. A good way to do it, not here, but here, using the Visual Studio Code is come here and copy relative path. So now we have the whole path. And then you need to put an at UDP. So with this, it should reference to the template that is in this external repo. Okay, so I will remove this. We don't need this anymore. Save. And I think my trigger is not working. So I will run it manually.
Because it's not working because it's incident.
No, I don't know if this incident there is some relation with this. It's here all day long.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So it's working. So we have this. The first step it's checkouting for the template repo, and actually this is for UDP application. And yeah, I don't know how to show it.
Then maybe we can log the two repos in one step of PowerShell script to show the structure of the directory.
Uh, no, I was thinking if there is some log here, but looks like no.
No,
Yeah, okay, so this is how we can use these external templates. So now, what is our next step, Bruno? What's your suggestion here?
maybe create another stack.
Which one?
Node.js.
Yeah, maybe. Do you want to do this?
Maybe I can
Yeah.
try because I'm not a JavaScript developer. It will be a challenge for me. And for that, I will get a repository with the Node.js code.
Okay, do you want to share your screen?
Oh, sorry. Yes, I'm sharing my screen. Can you
Uh, okay, now
here?
now you are.
Uh, I forked pipelines JavaScript repository from Microsoft Docs in my personal account, and here we have some JavaScript code. I don't know if this code is running. You know what to do this repository, and you use to create a new pipeline in the same team project organization. Um, DevOps. Thanks. Universal Delivery Pipeline, team project, and I will create a new pipeline within. I don't know if I will. Oh, I think
Maybe
I need to connect with the same, or you want to fork this repo in the DevOps
maybe
nights
maybe you
org.
can link with your you have it forked in your GitHub, right?
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm going
maybe you
to
can do like
try.
that. Okay.
Oh, I'm not configured this.
Yeah, maybe it's cache in your browser. I don't know.
Crazy.
It's magic.
Yeah. Yeah. Now it's magic, really magic. And we will start our pipeline. But I think I need to create.
I think it's a starter.
Uh, yeah, but if, if I create here and will save in the GitHub, I
Yeah.
will I will try.
Um,
Uh,
I'm just not sure if you need to allow something, but yeah, try. Let's try.
I just click the button. Just press the button, and what we are doing here is creating a pipeline YAML in the. Let me check if there is a new commit here. Yes,
Yeah, it worked.
it's
Cool.
integrated. Yeah. Ubuntu pipeline. Yeah, it's fast. Checkout, run, run what?
Yeah, it's
But
the
here
it's the
it's just
hello.
the hello world
Yeah, the
pipeline.
hello word
Yeah,
of the pipelines.
yeah. And now we have to configure a really Node.js build here. I will copy from helper. Let's do that. So, yeah, back. I think what I need is well, this. We don't need this anymore. Here,
Okay, I think you have pull and trigger twice.
Yeah, because I passed. Oh, let me this. Let me let the trigger on master pull Ubuntu latest, and the steps were here. Node 2. This will install Node 2, or just this. I think is just check or check and install.
Yeah, this is
Check and
ensuring that you have the
yes,
version.
yes, because we are using hosted agents here, and the hosted have already have Node tooling, and this when install when this task running, they are checking if they exist on the agent, and just check. And can install run build. Here is the what we need. I think we not need the npm pack now. You save it. You were saying so?
No, no, no. I just thought it was a complete build on those on this one on the documentation that was you were checking out.
You sorry, don't understand what you.
You were checking some documentation, right?
Yeah,
I think the build there is a complete build with the publishing the
yeah.
artifacts.
You think you it's good to do all the tasks now?
You want to do one by one? It's on yours.
Yeah.
From me,
Ah,
that's okay. Run
okay.
this and let's.
So I will. So, so
Oh, the YAML broke on the line 23.
ah, is the let me copy all again.
Yeah, it's just on the line 23. Just back. Yeah.
Oh yes, her eyes are more fast than mine. Okay, I'll save here and
Yeah, I have been working with this YAML every day for 3 months. So yeah,
uh, I think we need more accurate intelligence here on this screen.
yeah. Not only the screen, but on the when you're coding in the local Visual Studio Code.
What happened here?
Oh, your trigger is working. Congratulations.
Yeah. Job. Uh, oh, I always forgot that this screen not navigate to the build or to the, the pipeline when you click run.
Yeah, you need to go there.
You need to go there. Oh, it's pretty fast.
Hmm.
Um,
Yeah, this is why everyone likes Node. It's fast to
yes,
compile. It's
but
fast to
it, mm, yes, but I think this code is too short.
yeah, yeah. It's
Uh,
just I'm joking. It's just an example.
yeah, we have in here package. Uh, uh, I think it's not what we want to output. Here is just JSON with the configuration.
Mm.
It's not a package. The package. I think is
Back
because
there.
that is too fast.
Ah, okay. Back there to the tasks.
Or it's getting the wrong file.
No, but you have to. Okay, copy npm package. You have two copy files. You should have that. Back there and refresh
No,
the screen.
the
Maybe,
code. No, the code is just copying the package JSON. It's not
but
copy.
one task above, are you copying this?
The TGZ
Oh, yeah,
file.
yeah. I think it was because it's something related to refresh the window. Go to your build again. To the result. No, not there. On the result. Hmm. Looks no. Yeah, I don't know.
No, I think it's like an empty build with JSON. It's just JSON, empty um, node build.
Yeah,
It's
can
just
be.
an uh, let me see here. JSON server have some code, but JSON. I don't know. We need to explore more this code. But we for the proposal to the stack, we can continue to use these steps
Yeah.
because these steps is uh, what the documentation recommends for JavaScript and Node.js applications.
Mm-hmm.
When you access Azure Pipelines docs, you have some ecosystems recommendations, and here are JavaScript and Node. Here are create your first pipeline, and this is the code what you need to start creation of a pipeline with Node.js. And
Mm-hmm.
what we need here is just to uh, improve the code or the application, the example of application.
Yeah.
Um, what we have to do next is to extract the template, um, the steps of the Node.js stack to a template, and is what we go to do right now. But to do that, I will do. Where is my code? Ah, yes. Oh no, where is my code? Of course, my so where's my repository? Here, and here is the Azure pipeline file, and I have to create a pull request in the UGP template to include this stack and for use the UGP in this pipeline. And to do that, I think first I need to fork the UGP. Yes.
Yeah. Forking our personal
I think I have
account.
forked the UGP here. but I have to update, and I do not remember why, how I.
You mean to rebase?
Yeah,
Oh, you need to fetch and then
I
yeah.
think I will delete it and fork because I do not want to learn that right now. This is repository.
Ah, Brandon, I was checking your code and you missed some task there. This is why it's not working.
Yeah,
Yeah.
what?
You missed some npm pack script on.
Oh, where?
Go to documentation. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
And
it's
this,
because I copy this first part and then I
yeah,
copy
you
the
jump one.
last
It
three
hap-
tasks, the last
it,
three tasks of the script.
yeah,
Yeah.
it happens. No, no, no worries.
Okay. Nice. Thanks. Um, what are you doing? Oh, here. Uh, Delete. Oh, okay. And now fork and repeat fork. Deixa eu ver, vamos grandão. Okay. Um, and now I will clone to my laptop. Okay. Okay. Now I can create a new file with the Node.js stack. I will copy the,
Don't forget the task again.
yes, oh, I will be careful with that. I will copy this all the steps and I will create an here. Node.js, Node.js build jobs, right?
Yeah.
YAML. Uh, but I need to adjust here because I need to specify jobs. here. And because that I need to steps ahead, right?
Yeah, looks good.
And I think I will name builds.
Maybe Node.js dash build or build dash Node.js or yeah,
Invert where build.
whatever. Just maybe
Yeah,
to keep the pattern from the name, the file name Node.js dash build.
yes, is already Node.js dash build.
No, but I mean on the job on the line 2. Yeah, there.
Ah, okay. You're saying here.
Yeah.
Yes, it's what I think. Um, Node.js build.
Uh,
Oh,
yeah, it's not better everything. Not in capital letters, but in small letters.
here in
Yeah,
Node.js,
yeah, no,
here in job
yeah, because it will be like internal thing, you know. Yeah,
like that.
yeah,
I think it's complicated to read.
yeah. No, but you don't need job. You can remove this.
Yeah, because it's already the name, the specified job here.
Yeah, and
It's already,
on the
it's
display
already
name, you can have a beautiful phrase.
yeah. I like Node.js. Node.js. It's the JS in capital
Yeah,
letters.
I think it's okay. And
Node.js build the job, right?
I think you can remove the job also. Because when we execute this, it will be implicit.
Yes, and in the name of the file, I think we can cut the S from jobs. So makes sense because it's one job.
Yeah, okay. No, but it depends. Maybe in the future we can have more than one. Because it's a collection of jobs. It's a collection with just one item, but in the future we can have more than one. For example, run automated tests. I don't know how it will progress, but we can have more than one.
But the if the intention is to build a template, we need to separate the things in pieces. What we can connect when we need to. I need a job, Node.js job, and another piece of Node.js job for a build. And for another build, I do not need that. And I can have the pieces apart or separate pieces. I don't know. We can refactor that
Yeah,
in the
yeah,
future.
I think we can let now. Maybe in the future, if we see that it's becoming too complex, everything together, we can split. So no, not a
Yeah,
problem.
yeah. Um, I think is it. Okay,
Yeah,
right?
looks good.
Um, First, I have
To save.
to update, right? To save them, but I have to
Hmm.
meet.
Actually, I think you should add this.
Yeah, add
Mhm.
yes, add. Maybe we can open the PR here. PR.
On the command line. Oh man.
Open. Create. Create title.
Good luck. I never know the comments for this.
GHPR create title. And yes, spec. Just it. For the which should be the base repository used for querying issues. DevOps night. Where should we push the main branch? I think everyone's wrong. Into main, right? Body no. Submit. What's next? Submit. Nice, huh?
Hmm. It's done?
I'm doing this huh?
It's done? That's it?
Yeah. I think it's not done, it's doing.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, done now. You can check on the browser now. First, I will check my repository if the pull if the commit is here, and
I don't think so because you didn't push to your repo. You push it straight to the DevOps Nights repo.
no, I push it to my main,
Okay, let's
uh,
check.
but
Refresh.
it's not here.
No, because I think you just
No,
push
it's
it.
here.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, but I I made a mistake. I do not adjust my user, and it was made with the user of my company.
Okay, should I
Let
approve
me fix
this or?
let me fix that.
Okay,
Just to
but it will remove the pull request. Is it possible to do that?
yeah, you can close the
Oh,
PR,
I
or
should
I
close,
can
not
close.
you.
I can close because let me check. Uh, your close. Oh, check if I close the PR. No, it's not closed.
No, it's still here.
No, you can approve that because it's have a commit with
Actually, here it's appearing your Gomes Brandão. I think it's your personal
yeah, but in
account.
the PR,
Mhm.
but in the PR, not. Yeah, approve the pull
Oh,
request. Approve it. Because
okay.
when you approve the pull request, when you approve the the code will get my user because the committee is from the PR, not from the committee in the PR.
Um, just, just if I squash, I will squash to you.
Yeah, it's correct. Um,
Okay,
I,
approve it.
I don't think I don't think you have a question.
Yeah,
Okay. Um, yeah, but Gomes Brandão
still there.
still there.
It
uh,
happens.
in the future, we will clean that or not. Uh, I'm talking that because it's worth to have three contributors here, and Gomes Brandão is not a person. Um, Let me correct this first, not do that again. It's config local. Uh, um, you have to do next is correct or correct the pipeline here.
Yeah.
And now I will copy your code. Uh, I will get the UDP from GitHub org using resource like was already um, oops.
No, no, it's there. It's loading.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, maybe you
And
can remove this header, this commented header,
yeah,
and yeah.
sources, pool image, and the steps I will remove. And I need to
Yeah, as I said on the beginning, you need to declare the jobs. And now you are expecting a collection of jobs. In this case, we have a collection with just one item.
yeah,
And yeah, you need to choose
my
to the
context.
template that you just created.
Yeah. Um, is Node.js. Yeah. Source build Node.js build jobs. right?
Yeah. Yeah. Nice.
Mm, okay. Saving and oh, again, I have some.
Yeah. The best
Uh,
way is on the top, on the breadcrumb on the top. Yeah. All there.
oh, here you were saying,
Yeah. I always go there.
yeah,
Oh, looks it's working because you renamed the name of the step, the job. So we have Node.js build on the bottom.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Nice, very nice. Yeah, but the first time that no, I'm not corrected the package here, or
Uh,
yeah,
I don't
I
know.
I forgot
No.
to
Yeah.
I
You need to
forgot
fix.
the yeah. Yes, I forgot the package, the stepper package here. I need to send another pull request. Uh, where is the documentation to copy that? I I highlighted the code and I forgot. It's after this. Oh, right. Right. To create title back. Let me think.
Oh,
Uh,
Luis Oliveira is there. He's saying that your audio is very low.
yeah. So what? Sorry.
From me, that looks good. But okay.
I think I'm talking.
Oh, much
Not.
better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The microphone is too. Uh, far from me.
Thanks, Luis.
Bench. Vamos grandão. Creating. Okay. Okay. Submit. This correction will not trigger the another new build, right?
No, because it's not in your repo. It's in the templates repo.
Let me see something. Mm, yeah, is this the position of the microphone? Yeah. Can you approve?
Sure.
After the live, you can do a rebase in
Mm.
the repository, deleting the
Looks like we have some conflicts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Uh, but I don't know. Looks yeah, it looks like some mistake on
It's
the
just, I think it's just a space.
yeah, probably. But okay, I'm fixing commit.
Oh, uh, you,
Oh, committed.
you fix
Yeah.
you fix it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. I will squash again.
Okay. Let me see.
Okay, merge it.
Oh, nice. Well, I,
Oh, it was the first
well,
commit.
I committed. The command line not create new pull request. Creating pull request. Oh, it's not the command line not create a new pull request. Just update the pull request.
Interesting. Yeah, we need to explore more
Uh,
these pull request features.
why? Why? No, there is two pull requests. Oh, I think it's because it's the same branch.
Yeah, this is why I was talking to create a feature branch on the beginning. But next live we can try it. No, not a problem. Probably in the
Oh,
future we should
yeah,
rebase this repo and
yeah,
correct the
yeah,
commits.
yeah.
But okay, now your change is there. Maybe you can just run again, and it should create your artifacts.
Right. Very nice.
Yeah. Well, what's your opinion? It's easy to create these templates.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very easy. We need to uh, structure documentation.
Yeah.
Let me see if now we have back. Yes, one publish, one consume. Yeah, now
Okay.
we
Now we
have
have.
TGZ Hello World package and the package JSON.
Yeah. Nice.
And
Your dog's barking, or it's your neighbor's dog's barking.
yeah, yeah, there are a lot of pets in the build. Um, nice. We have two stacks and very nice.
Yeah. Cool. Uh, yeah, it's a good beginning. Anything else for today that you wanted to show, or
I think we are good for today because it's 1 hour and 20 minutes of live,
Yeah.
and it's a good progress with the UGP.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Um, Maybe now we can have some contributions with some people who are saw these lives, and maybe the people can send some PRs.
Yeah, that's the idea. So yeah, now we are very simple. We just have those two templates that we are calling this straight to the template. Uh, but what I was planning for next week is have a more start to have a more complex structure, so we can have an orchestrator above these two templates that we have now, and then we can pass as a parameter which template we should use, and then we can have like permissions and controlling which templates are allowed to be used in the organization. So maybe we can do it next week.
Because now we just have a repository with many templates. It's
Yeah,
not a universal uh, delivery pipeline.
yeah, not
The
yet.
idea is have to one point to set in the pipeline.
Yeah, and keep it easily to the dev team. So the dev team does not need to know which template he should use, which tasks it should have. So just, oh, I need to build Node.js and deploying whatever in AWS, in Azure, or whatever you want. So that's the main idea.
Yeah, and you can have pipeline with multiple stacks. I don't know, with a website with a .NET and microservice with Node.js, and
Or
one
yeah,
of the things it's more easy to deploy, or you can have the same stack of the same framework like Node.js deploying on Azure and AWS, for example, in the
yeah,
same pipeline.
yeah, yeah. That's the idea. Okay, good. I think for today we are good. I think, as you said, it was a good progress. It was pretty good. Everything worked. And that's it. So next week, let's do that and put some complexity there. But this complexity is good because we are removing the complexity from the end. So it will be easy to use there. But here we should have a little bit more complexity to control that. And yeah, I think that's it.
Nice. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, thank you. So if you're new here, subscribe on the channel, click on the bell to have notifications from the next videos. Okay, thank you guys. See you next week. Thank you, Brandon.
Thank you.
Bye.